We want to assign grades for these students, but we don't want to use nested if statements. Instead, we can use the equals ifs with an S to have multiple logical tests. So the first thing it's going to ask is what value do you want to have, and then what's the logical test. So in this case, we want to check B2 and see if that is greater than or equal to a 90. And then you'll separate a comma, and this is what happens. If this is true, you want to put an A. Now, since we have other cases, we want to include these logical tests as well. So you just continue to include the logical tests. So again, we'll add another one, but this time we're going to compare it to an 80% or an 80 for the grade. And the result, if they do have greater than or equal to an 80, it'll be a B. And then we'll go ahead and check for the C. So greater than or equal to 70, that will be a C. And then the last one will be greater than or equal to a 60, which would be a D. So greater than or equal to 60, that will be a D. And then what happens if it's below that, we'll do a catch-all by doing a true. So this true, if it happens that none of the other logical tests check out, then we'll go ahead and sign a fail. Go ahead and close your parentheses, and then auto-populate all the way down, and let's see if this makes sense. So this assigned an A, a B, a C, and then the 55 was a fail.